Okay, welcome back. So if you're just joining us in this particular video, just so you know, we are on case study 3. In case study 3, we're trying to ingest into Microsoft Dynamics 365 and into MS Dataverse, the database behind Microsoft Dynamics 365. And what we're trying, I went through series of step and the strategy for us to ingest into a specific table where there's lots of lookup. Currently, we have just four lookups in this example, but this will work if you have thousands. If you can get up to a thousand lookups, or for example, 500 lookups, this same procedure will still work. So, the just to recap, this is I used the staging table tab. I used 1, 2, 3, the third sub tab under the staging table management, and I did fill all these parameters and now selected the table that we duplicated, and the results of what I did there now created this specific table called stg underscore project, and that is the table, the environment name there. All right, and we could see the project name is there, the client ID is there, that's the client name, the manager's name is there, the location is there, and the amount spent, balance, and budget. So go to the top. This is the original table that we duplicated, and you can see the records are the same, right? Project one, this is project one, and so on and so forth. Now, in this specific video, what we're trying to do now is to now get the consultant data to ingest into the system. So just bear with me. I have already what the consultant would like to paste into this particular table. And where is it? Okay, right. This is it now. So what I have here is this. So it's kind of what I did, I now increased the number of data that we're going to ingest into this system. As you can see, let's push it aside. This is quite a complex one, but this is how it is. The different projects that demand this kind of operation and this type of ingestion, that is very, very complicated. So, but not too complicated. What you have here, just to inspect this data on my right hand side, we have one full record. That's what I've highlighted. Let me make it bigger. I can make it bigger so you see it perfectly clear. So what I've highlighted is one record. This is the second record, and finally this is the third record. Just 3 records that we want to ingest into Dynamics 365. Don't forget, into the particular table we have now duplicated. Now, just to show you the data, you can see every single line here is a column in Dataverse. That means we expect this particular row of information here inside JSON here. This particular row should go into Dataverse and put project 3 just underneath here. Then the second line will be the location. As you can see, location. Where is location? I think location is the next one there. Location should come here. Then so on and so forth. Every single column will have what's the specific data into them. So all you need to have is your JSON files ready. Then you go into our system. As you can see, I'm here. The next thing I'm going to do now, because I want to ingest, I'm not going to use the staging table. I'm going to go to the bulk data tab. In the bulk data tab, as you can see, it's called bulk data operations batch API fully functional. I am going to go to the first tab, which is manual file ingestion. How am I going to do it? You can do it 2 ways. I can drag the file here, or I can paste the information here. It's all left for you. Today I'm going to paste it here. So looking at the data, this is the data. I'm just going to copy every single thing, copy and paste into here. Like I said, you can just drag and drop it. Check my other videos, what I've done. So because I've not done the pasting, I think is a good opportunity to paste the data now. Let me expand it so you can see it clearly. All right. So this is the data that we want to ingest into. You can see this is the first record, second record, and finally third record. All right. So I'm going up. The first thing you need to do, select your environment. Now you need to get the table. What table is this? You can just do a search. So I've typed that. As you can see, I just type new underscore stg and it comes up. Then I select it, and that's all I need to do. The next thing now, I just need to click on this button, and fingers crossed, it's going to take all this information and put it into Dynamics 365. I'm trying to get, yep, I'm trying to get this one. Yeah, this one. It's going to put it into our staging table that we created. Just a duplicate. Is a duplicate of this original table here. This is the original table above this one, and the below is the duplicate. So you're going to put it under this duplicate. So fingers crossed. Let's watch how it's going to do it now. All right, so this is my data. All I need to do, I'm just going to click this button, and that's all. Now it's working, as you can see. Let's see what it has done. It says it's ingesting. I'm seeing it's flagging some errors. Let's have a look at the error. What is it saying? It's saying project. There's something wrong with one of our table, one of our data. So it's good real life that I'm showing you this. It could be something wrong that is not getting a particular table. Let's see. It's a particular column. There might be something wrong. So this can happen. So all you need to do is to troubleshoot it really. I can see it's flagging up a particular, let's see, why is it flagging up this particular one? And I can see, all right, let's go down a little bit. Let's go down a little bit. Let's go down. All right. So it's also good that it gives us 0 successful, 0, 3 failed, and total records that we're trying to ingest is 3. So what I'm going to do now, I need to inspect the data perfectly well to see where the problem is coming. I see project. Let's see, is there a particular part that we missed? All right. Okay. All right. It's quite difficult to pinpoint where the mistake is. I'm going to sort this out now. There might just be a comma, or let me look at the curly bracket. Let me look at the apostrophes here. If all are in place, I can see. All right. Let's go down a little bit, and our commas are in the right places. I can see one comma here is all right. Going up again, I can see the next one is okay. Yes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try it one more time and see how it goes. All right.